This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kim Colcord. Looking for a lot with an expansive view in a great area? Come take a look at this lot in Fox Lake neighborhood. This is a corner lot at the top of a ridge, brings into sight the rolling hills and long-range views afforded in the North GA Mountains. The neighborhood features many custom-made homes, clubhouse, pavilion and approx 5-acre pond for fishing, swimming or practicing your paddleboard skills. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Colcord at 706-745-3500.